Go.
Good morning, folks. Welcome back to the mountain. We fed the bees about a week and a half ago, and we're going to get the bag out of there now and take a look at the comb again. So let's go ahead and do that. They are busy. I can see them going in and out. They got pollen on their little saddlebags there. I see a couple ants in here when I lift up the thing. You got to come a little bit closer. I know you don't have your... Oh yeah, they are busy. Busy, busy bees. You can hear them in there. Ooh. They're really building out some comb nicely in there. I'm not sure I want to pull out any frames, but they are building out the comb. I can't tell if there's any brood on there or not. Let's see if we can pull one out, see if there's any brood on it. Well, maybe not.
Whoa, are they around you?
Yeah, they're around me.
Wow.
They don't like me doing this. I don't see any brood on that one. Oh, here we go. All right, we got some capped comb over here. And I do believe I see some drone combs too. So that's pretty cool.
Fantastic.
Yeah, we got some brood in here. Lots of nectar. All right, let's go ahead and put that back down. We're gonna go ahead and cover this back up because they're really not happy about me being here. So we got the bag out. Looks like they're doing really well. We got some brood in the comb. We got some nectar in the comb. So that's good. So it's time to go on to our next task.